Meme coins are absolutely blowing up right now, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to buy BRC-20 meme coins or how to buy meme coins on Bitcoin. I saw the comment section, all of you guys are just dying to know how you can buy it. Unisat.io marketplace is down, but there are other marketplaces where you could buy these very precious BRC-20 meme coins. So without further ado, let's get on with the content and let's go bank that coin.
Francis Dune Uncensored.
Welcome back to another episode of Francis Dune Uncensored, where we do have tomorrow's newspapers today. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss out on early opportunities like this, where I showed you guys how to mint these for essentially peanuts, for $3 for like 100 or 1,000, depending on which meme coin on Bitcoin you're after. Ladies and gentlemen, I saw the comment section. I know you guys were just dying. How could we buy this? If we missed it on the mint phase, right? If we weren't able to mint them, how could we go and buy these actual Bitcoin and meme coins? And I'm going to show you guys that right now. So let's get right to the content. As you know, Unisat.io, it was very exciting news at the time when they were coming out with their marketplace, which launched a couple days ago. Unfortunately, they were experiencing some issues, so this marketplace is not currently active at the moment. I believe they sent out a tweet and they said about 2 weeks all of that will change and they'll be up and running. So the burning question is, where could we actually go and buy these coins right now? Let me show that to you here. Okay, so you're going to need a couple of things. So BRC-20.io has a market tab, and there are listings for these BRC-20 tokens on a couple other marketplaces, right? So the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need Bitcoin in your ordinalswallet.com Bitcoin address. So what BRC-20.io is going to do, they're going to direct us to the ordinalswallet.com marketplace where these listings are going to be posted, okay? So let's go ahead and click market, okay? So this is the notion where you already have Bitcoin, you know, funded in your ordinalswallet.com Bitcoin address, okay? So as we come here, you know, we see the different types of BRC-20 tokens. We see PEPE, we see SHIB, we see MEME, we see Wizard. Let's just use MEME for this example, which is the first meme coin on Bitcoin, by the way, okay? So to me, I really like that one of PEPE the most, okay? So we're looking at a couple different marketplaces, but let's finish off what we were saying here with Ordinals Wallet. We're going to click this link. It's going to send us here, okay, to Ordinals Wallet, to the exact inscription number, okay? So as you can see right here, so BRC-20, Operation Transfer Tick Meme, okay? So this guy is essentially selling you 5 whole units of this meme coin on Bitcoin, okay, BRC-20, for about 0.0085 or for about, right here, $50.73. And right here, meme is going for $42. So that's slightly, you know, a bit more expensive to what the current market value is. But let's just say you had your Bitcoin in here and you're happy with that price, okay? All you gotta do is press buy now button. Obviously, I don't have any Bitcoin funded in this wallet. Once I click the buy now button, I follow the easy steps and it's pretty much going to be delivered to me right here in my Ordinals wallet, which should populate somewhere down here, okay? And that's how you know you got it. And once you got it, you got it. Okay, guys? But now to verify if this guy actually even has these meme coins in his wallet, we're going to actually scan his wallet address, okay? So in order to do that, let's click the link button here. This right here is address, okay? So I'm going to go like this. I'm going to copy link. Cool. I'm going to come to unisat.io just to verify that this gentleman does indeed have these meme coins to sell me. And I want to make this known as well. So we have BRC-20 and also Ordinals Wallet, the team behind those two websites. They actually filter through these transactions before they're posted to make sure that these people do indeed have what they're posting, okay? So, but you don't want to, like, for me personally, I don't like to rely on that. I like to do my own due diligence and fact check on my own time. So that's what I'm going to be doing here. Let's paste that in there just to hold ourselves accountable, and let's scan him. He's trying to sell 5, and yes, meme, this wallet does have 7 that's transferable. His balance is 7. So when we come back over here now, this guy does indeed have this amount. But the second thing that we should check is the price. The price right now is, you know, he's selling them for $50.73 a pop. You know, if we go back to BRC-20.io, BRC, again, they're going for about $42. And the price of Bitcoin right now is 29,715. So let me get on my calculator here, and we're going to do some basic math. So he had this is $29,717 worth of Bitcoin times, I think it was 0.0085. Okay, times 0.0085, 252, and he's selling us 5 units divided by 5. Yep, which comes up to $50.50 each. Okay, guys? So that indeed is what he's selling us over here. And if you're okay with that price, then you go ahead and you punch it in, okay? Now, there are some cheaper options available, right? By about, I don't know, what is this, like $9, $8 give or take. And it's through a different website, right? So what you're going to need to access this one here is something like a Hira wallet that you see right here. Okay, this does communicate with the Hira wallet, and you'll need to have some Bitcoin funded inside this Hira wallet if you saw a cheaper price on a website like this. So once again, this is in BRC-20.io market, and this is a different marketplace, okay? So this is kind of like the middleman or the directory that shows you the marketplaces that are selling these BRC-20 tokens. So let's come on over here and now click this link. This brings us to an entirely different page, okay? This is called openorddex.org. I could reassure you that this is a legitimate site. I do know people that use it, okay? So if you wanted to buy, you could come here as well. And this is how this will work. So you'll essentially come down here and click the buy inscription number after you already, checked out the price and make sure that how this is the price and this is the going rate. And it does work out to be that. So let's click this blue button over here. As you can see right here, buy inscription, it already detected. So this would self-populate, okay, based on what's in here. Right, in my Hira wallet. So it already tells me, okay, you want to pay $534, which is 0.01799 BTC for this inscription. You'll go ahead and click the buy inscription button and, sign it off and do all that other stuff. Okay, guys? So it's very, very straightforward. If you use MetaMask before, this is the same exact process. This website will detect the Bitcoin that's in your Hira wallet, and then you continue with the steps here, like sign the transaction, so on and so forth, and then you will get these, this sort of like lines of code delivered to you in your Hira wallet, which then tells you that how you are now the owner of these BRC-20 tokens. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, Unisat.io is down, but there are other marketplaces that you could currently get to buy these BRC-20 tokens, okay? You could come across over here, BRC-20.io, click the market tab, right? Choose which BRC-20 meme coin you wanted, whether that's PEPE, SHIB, or meme. Say you wanted the meme. We scroll down. This guy's selling for the market value here, some for the market value here. If you're more comfortable with Ordinal's wallet and you might want to use that, this right here is just about $2 extra. Go ahead, go nuts. So this looks like a new listing as well. Okay, so this guy's selling 2 now. Okay, 2 units for $44.75 each. You click the link. Okay, it's going to send you over here to ordinalswallet.com. You already have your Bitcoin funded here. Okay, and then you follow the steps to buy it. It'll detect that you have Bitcoin. You could do that. Or if you want to take the other route, you could also come to this website. Click the link as I just described. Make sure the price matches to what they're trying to sell us here. Click the buy inscription button, have your Hira wallet open, fund it with Bitcoin, and then follow the basic steps to get it. You also could use Discord. Okay, so let's go on to Discord and let's head on over to the OrdSwap channel, and then you could go to OrdSwap listings, bots, sales, all that kind of stuff, and you could do some OTC trades with BRC-20 tokens as well. So what you'll have to do here is pretty much, just ask around and see what people are selling. But normally you would see them already listed here. But what I would recommend is, if you're not comfortable with OTC, most certainly come on over to BRC-20.io, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I just showed you how you could buy. In my next video, if you already own these BRC-20 tokens that went up in value, I want to show you how to transfer them and then how to sell for profit. So do be on the lookout for my next video if you already have these BRC-20 tokens and you're looking to bank that coin. Do join us in my Discord chat below. We're talking about all kinds of things with the new trends in ordinals, rare sats hunting, which is a very promising industry, and we're pretty bullish on that too. We're pretty bullish on BRC-20 tokens, especially the meme coins, and I know you are as well. So you know what? There ain't really much left to say other than, until my next video, you're on your own. Later.
Francis Dune, Uncensored.